Hey guys, so I just wanted to drop this video just to show you guys how I achieved these bomb boho knotless braids. Now this isn't a tutorial, I just thought it would be nice to see me work in like real time, so that's why I am posting this video. Again, this is not a tutorial. If you want to learn how to do knotless braids, I do have a tutorial on my channel already. I will be sure to link that video down below. It's a really more in-depth video, but I do think this could still be a good learning video for my people who are visual learners, because I did not speed this video up and you guys can clearly see how I'm like feeding the hair in and everything. I do tend to braid slow when I do my own hair, so I'm not braiding super fast in this video, but you know, I make it work. I love these braids so much. These are so cute. I love the size and just everything about them. They feel so lightweight, very pretty. Got a lot of compliments on them already, so yeah. I am always horrible on the parting tutorials because parting stresses me out so much that I just, you know, if I were to film me parting, it would be so hectic because parting is like literally the hardest part for me. But for how I got these parts, I just I use my ear as a guideline, but I basically have 3 rows from my ear down, and then I have about 4 rows in the middle of my head, and then on the top I have like, I don't know how to explain it, but I don't know. I show you guys how I how my parts look towards the end, so be sure to watch the end. But these are super cute. I just feed in these little human hair pieces. This is from a very old wig of mine, over 2 years old. It was a 30-inch loose deep wave wig, and I just cut some hair off from the back to feed in. I do like to use human hair for boho braids, especially in this heat, because the crochet hair is nice, but it does tend to tangle. But you know, do what you can do. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and let you guys finish watching the rest of the video. Alright, I know I ended my voiceover already, but I decided to do another one clearly. But here's how they looked right when I was done before I dipped them. These were so freaking cute. You can't tell me these aren't cute. You can't tell me these aren't cute. You can't tell me I did not do my thing with these, okay? But yeah, this is the end result. So cute. But this was before I went outside and the heat just literally reverted my roots, and my roots got a little bit poofy, you'll see in the end. But here's how long they are, and here's how my parts look. I hope you guys can see clearly. But yeah, super cute. I love this style. I love the size I did. And then I'm just gonna go in with the Shine and Jam for Braiders mousse. It's the mousse in the red can, and it says Shine and Jam on it. You can get at your local beauty supply store or on Amazon. I'll have it linked down below. So I just put this on. Mousse really just sets the braids, I think. I'm not 100% sure. I just know it's something you're supposed to do on your braids. So yeah, and this was after I dipped the ends. I just dipped the ends in hot water. I didn't curl them or anything. I literally just dipped them. And then I'm gonna go in with my Sheen spray, not Shein, but my Sheen spray in the red can, Shine and Jam, same thing, just to put the finishing touches. This is how the hair looks when it's all, you know, complete, fully completed. And yeah, super cute. I did a little extra on my edges. And yeah, I really love these. They're so cute. I might keep these in for 2 weeks, low-key. Y'all know I like to change my hair a lot. But yeah, these are super cute. I love them on me. I love the size. I love the length. Very lightweight, no problems. So yeah, I hope you guys like this. I hope this video was some type of help, even though I know it's not a tutorial. I still hope it helped you in some way, or you guys just enjoyed it. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.